Hello everyone and welcome back to this devlog series. It's been a while since the last devlog and that's because I was a little bit busy, but now I'm here, I'm back, and today I'll show you many things to earn your forgiveness, including the crafting system, which is the best part for me, so stick around. I think this is the devlog number 6, so if you're new here, you're more than welcome to go and check the other 5. Of course, if you're not interested, never mind, you're going to be fine anyway. With that said, stop wasting time and let's get started. The very first thing I worked on is the sunrise. These are many shots that I took in game, and I would be grateful to you if you leave a comment down below with the best one for you, just for fun. Basically, here I added the sun with some volumetric light attached to my directional light, and even though I still have to work on the colors, I'm pretty fine with the result. As someone suggested, I'd like to lure the color of the light from a reddish one to almost a white to give it a little bit more atmosphere. But anyway, I don't want it to be too much heavy as an effect, so probably it's going to be visible only during sunset and sunrise. Let's change topic. Let's talk about modeling. I made a low poly tree which is going to be a starfruit tree, but now I'm using it just like an apple tree for testing, some sort of placeholder. Yeah, no, I'm just lazy. An apple is just easier, way easier to model than a starfruit. But anyway, let's talk about the tree. So simple approach, extruding a point in Blender for branches, then apply the skin modifier and scale the end of them. Then sculpting some icosphere for the foliage. And that's it. Very easy, very simple shapes. I like when things are easy. Alright, it's time to see how it's looking in the game. Of course, I added some materials, some colors, and voila, now I can pick my apple. Yeah, that's it. Nice, but before we get into the crafting system, I'd like to show you a log model in which I use a simple technique to model some cracks. I think this is a very simple approach, but it may lead to some really nice details even though this is not my case. Um, yeah, I thought it would be useful to someone. It's just a Boolean modifier to subtract a solid from one another. Finally, it's time to see the crafting system, which is something that gives me the feeling that this game is taking shape, and that's amazing. You can see here that I have 4 crafting categories: tools, food, resources, and others. And whenever I click on a category, you can see the name of the recipe along with a short description and the materials needed. As we are used to, a lot of those recipes are again placeholders, but the campfire and the wooden sticks are real assets, and I'm going to show you how they can be crafted. Alright, when I'm able to craft something, a yellow hint suggests me that I can craft it, and in this case I'm going to get 2 wooden sticks from 1 oak log. With the flint, I am finally able to craft the campfire. Of course, I also check if there is enough space in both inventories to craft materials and tools, so let me pick some stuff and I will be back in a moment. Here we go, I am full of objects now and I have no space for anything else. And whenever I try to craft something that gives me more materials than I used, I just can't. But if I get rid of one of them, then it's possible. Alright, that's everything for the crafting system, and that's everything for the video too, so I really hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching a lot and see you next time.